Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be changing the transmission fluid in our 2010 Camaro SS. This is the Gen 5, has the LS3 with the Tremec TR-6060 6-speed manual transmission. So, this transmission has the factory fluid in it from 2010, and it needs replaced. It takes automatic transmission fluid, and this is what we're putting in here. Our Redline synthetic oil D4 ATF. This takes 4.2 quarts. We have 4 quarts here, so if I need to top it off, I'll use that Valvoline Max Life that I have inside the house I use for the BMW and the Corvette's automatic transmission fluid changes. So we have the car jacked up. It's on 4 jack stands. The 2 on the front are the Harbor Freight Kill You Special. Still haven't gotten around to replacing those yet. The 2 on the back are, I don't know, maybe from Walmart. They're like 20-something years old probably, so they should be okay. And then I do have the jack itself on the bottom of the differential. So we might not die, but we'll see. So once we get underneath, I'll show you what we're doing. We're going to mark the fill plug and the drain plug on the side of the transmission, and then take the fluid out, fill her up. And there's the fill plug out, so I'll climb under where you guys can actually see it now with the light, since I noticed how dark it was under here earlier. There's our drain plug. That's where the fill plug came out of, right up in here. And as you can see, there's nothing coming out, so it is excessively full. But I had that under here just in case. So now, always take your fill plug out first, just in case. And I'll try to get a good money shot in here for you. You probably can't see, but directly above you where the light is shining, which you may or may not be able to see, is the drain plug. So now that we know we can get the fill plug off, we will get the drain plug off. And you boys fell in my pan. Good thing you did that before and not after. Oh, she's starting to come out, boys. Ugh, taking a bath in it, too. Oh, boys, camera cut off whenever we had a catastrophic failure. And we did end up wearing a little bit of it. But she's mostly out. So, let me go inside and get my pump, and then we can start, well, cleaning up the mess, I guess, getting more cardboard down, and then, pumping her up full of fluid. Alright, so we cleaned up after our transmission fluid bath. We have the drain plug back in. Spun all the way around until our paint is now matching again. So that's going to be tight enough. Not going to go overdo it. We have a little bit of the mess down here. We have mostly fresh cardboard back down, but now we need to slide over to the other side and start the pump filling process. Is going to involve taking this, screwing it onto this empty bottle. Once we transfer 1 quart into here, we'll slide under the car and then pump this into the side of the transmission. So once we fill her up and she starts draining, leaking out that top fill plug, she's full. So let's do it. Okay, boys, I'll demonstrate what I'm doing on just 1 quart. You'll understand, and you won't need to see the whole pumping process, but we slide this thing into position here. I already have the light on, so we're just going to lay you boys on your back like me. You can look straight up and hopefully see. So what I do is, instead of just pumping with my thumb or finger or hand or whatever the whole time, what I actually do is lift quart up, like so, and then I use my hands on the bottom, and I just am pumping like this. So I'm moving the bottle up and down while the top is actually rested up against a piece of the car. So I just do this over and over and over again until we finally run out of fluid in this quart, rinse and repeat. So I think now that you get that idea, there's no need to see me do it the whole time, because I have to do this with 4.2 quarts. So I'll just cut back once we put the plug back in, but this is how I do it. I think it's easier than holding it on the ground and trying to do, but you know, if you get one muscle gets tired, you can do it the other way too. It's really your call. Alright boys, I didn't capture her on camera, but she did start coming out of the fill hole. So we put the plug back in, tighten her up to where our paint matches, and she's not leaking anymore, so she's full. So that's how we change the manual transmission fluid using automatic transmission fluid in our 2010 Camaro SS Gen 5 with the Tremec TR-6060 6-speed manual transmission. Enjoy the video, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.